did this project with Star SHL. Can you tell a little bit more about it and show us the future of this project, possibly?
Yes. First of all, welcome everybody. Thank you for joining online. It was a great pleasure to work with Star HSL, and also a big shout out to Antoinette to make this interview possible. It's also an impression of how we did this project. It started as a challenge project. We really wanted to contribute in all the COVID challenges companies have. So we said, okay, let's do this in a week. Of course, a week, that's the implementation, but we also created a roadmap, a vision for Star HSL, because just a challenge project is not enough. So we also said, look, this is the start of your first FIQ bot. But of course, we can do much more with the chat technology. We can also think about supporting other customers, not only patients, but also your doctors, or maybe even an internal bot to support your employees. And as you can see, we lined this up in a roadmap. I'm not going to mention everything, but for example, it would be possible with the chatbot to create an appointment automatically. And that would avoid a lot of phone calls to the call center. So there we would decline the waiting times, and then the people on the call center can address the real questions. If we look to the most mature phase, phase 4, we could even completely integrate it so that it's a seamless experience from chat to video to email. So this is the long-time future. We now offered an extra service channel for Star HSL, and we will start implementing this roadmap further on.
Well, thank you, Philippe. I'm going to see if there's any more questions in the event or in the stage. I don't see any, I think. But maybe you could tell about what made it so pleasant to cooperate with Star SHL, and how did you go about that?
Yeah. First of all, there was a big dedication of the team. You have to imagine Star HSL was faced by a massive wave of questions. Everything was flooding, and I needed some people, because we can deliver the technology, but Star HSL are the experts. They need to tell me what content should go in there. So we did several workshops. We did that personal, in a safe way, of course. We did in the evening hours. So we try to minimize the impact on the customer, because the customer needs to answer all the questions of the patients. But I needed that information, so it was by personal workshops, delivering in a sprint and agile way, and show and test very fast.
And my last question would be, how do they update this chatbot? Antoinette talked about that. Yeah. How can they update it themselves? Yeah.
As you know, the government is very fast with new regulations. It's really important. They don't need Dialog Group anymore. They are managing the questions by themselves. So the people of the call center are feeding the bot with new questions and answers. So basically, we put in a framework. They can manage it by themselves. So if the government, Mark Rutte, calls them, they can just amend the question, and it's live. That's it, easy as that. So they are responsible. They are the main contacts. So you could say that the people of Star HSL are in the bot.
Really nice. Thank you very much, Philippe.
Thank you.